Designers, listen up! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download Adobe InDesign for free on your PC or Mac. This method is completely safe and gives you full access to InDesign's professional publishing tools. Click the link in the description to go straight to Adobe's official InDesign page. Always download from Adobe's site to avoid fake or unsafe copies. Click Free Trial and you'll see different plan options. Choose the business plan that gives you 14-day full access, then click Continue. Sign in with your Adobe ID or create a new one. Add your basic info and payment method. It's required for verification, but you won't be charged if you cancel before the trial ends. After that, download and install the Creative Cloud desktop app. Open it, go to the Apps tab, search for InDesign, and hit Install. The installation begins automatically. Once installed, open InDesign and start creating. Whether it's a magazine layout, ebook design, or business brochure, you'll have full access to InDesign's professional tools for the next 7 days. And that's it! You now have Adobe InDesign installed and ready to use for free.